Hey friends, I'm Stacy, and we have been doing a complete makeover of our RV shower, which is in what we call the cottage, our Class C. So we have a new ceiling that we put in that looks fancy and beautiful. We also have a new retractable shower door, which is going to save us from having stuff sticking to our legs, and you can check out those videos. And then we are also going to change out the shower head. Let me show you what our water pressure looks like, because you can have this fancy, nice looking shower, but if your water pressure isn't very good, it makes the shower terrible. So we get the shower, turn on the water. And I don't know if you can see this, but it kind of sprays all over and trickles. And after a little while, it gets less and less and less till you finally have to shut it off and turn it back on, let it build up again. Okay, let that water pressure build back up. Turn it back on. Whoa, and I get a little bit more pressure again. And that goes on for the entire shower, which is terrible. So, we have purchased a new shower head from Amazon. So this shower head that we purchased from Amazon is a luxury handheld shower, but it has a built-in power wash.
The shower head provides you with a little Teflon tape to keep it from leaking. So we're going to go ahead and put that on the threaded surface of the shower head to begin with. I'm so sweaty right now that I'm sticky, so this stuff wants to stick to my hands more than it normally would. So see if I can get it around there a little bit. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to connect. There's two ends on these. One goes to the shower, one goes to the actual to the handle in there. So we're going to put in our rubber gasket ring, because if we don't, then all of the water is going to squirt out from there. So we're going to tighten this up, and it only has to be hand tightened. You want to snug it up pretty good and feel that rubber piece start to flatten out. Okay, so let's find the other rubber washer. And we're going to come over and pop this one off. Now, one thing I have a theory with is when you look at this faucet, once I get this off of here, there's a little hole in here. If that hole gets bigger, I guarantee you there's going to be more water coming through there. So we're going to try this without it. But then, if we don't get the water pressure we want, I'm going to drill this out a little bit, make it a little bit bigger, so that hopefully we can increase the water pressure. You don't realize how much of the pain trying to film everything is, because you're trying to do it and the camera's in your way.
Okay, so you remember the trickle that we had out of our last shower head. Now let's turn this on. Look at the shower pressure here. Oh, and it has adjustable. And then it also has a little crevice cleaner. And if you're in a bigger crevice, we now have a completely remodeled shower. It did not take that much effort, especially on my part, to put in the shower head, and it makes a huge difference with the water pressure and the shower. If you want to check out the links to the products that we used, you can visit our website at www.bfreebenson.com. And if you found value in this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. As always, doing things yourself saves you money and allows you to be free. See you in the next video.